Hey. Q&A farming. Today we are grading eggs in order to put in our incubator. So if you want to choose a male and a female egg so that you can get a good quality to be 70% female and 30% male, so you must be creative and you must have skills on how to create eggs. Like these eggs, we do say female egg look like curved at the end. So as you see, this egg is curved, so this is a female egg. So I will mark it XX, and this one I will mark it XX because it is a female egg, so that when they will hatch, I will count. I have 10 female, 3 male. So it is easier through marking, putting a mark on your eggs. So like this one, female. Let me look for male. This one, you see, it is a female also. I am choosing. This is a female. This is a curved. So if it is pointed at the end, we shall choose male. So this is a female. This is a male. You see, this is a male. So I will mark one X. This is a female. This is a male. Even if it has a blood scar, I will wash it in. So QA poultry farming, the demand of our customer is very consistent, and as farmers we must produce high quality of chicks in order to meet the demand of our customers. Share with us in our YouTube channel, Cheviose channel, by subscribing, commenting, and watching our video, so that we can work in this journey of poultry farming. This one is a female. Let me continue with this is a male. So since I started grading, I have gotten only 2 male. This is a male, 3 male. This is a female. This is a male, a female. This is how do you see? This is a female. So curved. We see the curve and sub pointed at the end of the edges. So this is a male. Female. So I have a lot of female.